Students really work well when they have something that they can move and manipulate to understand that a word can have three sounds, and so you might have three objects, and it helps them see how letters come together to form words. A few years ago, when I started on my journey of the science of reading, I learned a lot about phonemic awareness and was trying to determine how I was going to implement my new learning in the classroom. I realized that having some things at my table near where I was working with students would help me utilize those objects in a way that would help those students attach the sounds to the words and make meaning from that. There are a lot of materials that you can use to teach phonemic awareness. It doesn't have to be anything specific or bought from a commercial product. I have found that one of the most important things for students is that they have a mirror that they can look into and see the shape of their mouth when they're trying to learn the sounds. Using a sound wall that helps students recognize the shape of their mouth for the sound and the spelling pattern. We've used a number of manipulatives. It could be counters, it could be cubes, it could be bingo chips, where you can count out the number of sounds in a word and you can manipulate it and then move back and help blend those sounds together to read a word. It's not so much about what teachers are using to manipulate the sounds with the students, it's what they're doing with their instruction. So it doesn't have to be a very specific set of items. Anything that you can use and manipulate that you already have in your classroom will work for this purpose. You don't need to go out and spend money to get more things. You need to use what you already have and make sure that your instruction is aligned with the most recent research and practices that have been taught through the science of reading.